Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. When you have a large amount of data, finding similar records or comparing values becomes a bit difficult. The larger the data, the more complex it becomes. We can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to search and highlight particular records in data tables. Let us see how it works. Different from what we saw in conditional formatting earlier, where we gave value to be searched in the conditional formatting menu itself, here we will be giving the value in the cell in the sheet and see how the highlighting changes dynamically when the value in the search cell changes. In this session, we will discuss a few scenarios. Understand this and try with your own data. Let us imagine we want to check for values in column J, highlight it according to the value in the cell J2. First, we will try with number conditions available in conditional formatting format rules, and then we will try with custom formula and see the advantages of this method above the other. Later, we will see how this works with text search. Now, let us see how it works with custom formula. Here, you saw both the methods work the same manner when the range to be highlighted is in one column. Imagine you need to highlight the full row when the conditional formatting is true. We will try both the methods and see the result. I will select the full table data as the range and set the conditional formatting. First, we will try with number conditions available in the conditional formatting. Then we will make it with custom formula. Watch it closely to understand it better. You can see when we selected the default greater than function, even when the range was the full data table, the conditional formatting worked only on the particular column when the condition came true. But when we make the formatting with custom formula, the whole row with the data where the condition is true gets highlighted. So this way, the data looks better formatted when we search with values. Do not forget to make the search cells as absolute in the custom formula. Now let us try some text searches. Here I have added a column with the item code where all fruit code starts with FRU and vegetables code starts with VEG. Let us imagine we want to search all the fruits or a particular item code, etc. For searching text, we will use the function search. This will return the position at which a string is first found within the text. So, if the search result is found, then it will return a number. Since conditional formatting checks only true or false, we will use the isNumber function to check if the result is a number or not. Let us copy this to conditional formatting, custom formula and see the result. You can see the search dynamically highlights the row when the text is found. We will now add one more conditional formatting for searching the item name. When we have two formulas to check in the conditional formatting, the rows where any one is true will be highlighted. That is why the row with apple is highlighted even when veg was selected. So, to avoid confusion, we will remove the first condition and try. The search text works even when the text is in the starting or ending or even a part in between the text. You can see the search and highlight works better this way. Try with your own data and conditional formats to understand it better. Don't forget to use the absolute and relative cell references in the apt way at the apt places. This is Vijay signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.